Hello friends, this is Ahmed and welcome to part 2 of CSS tutorials. Today we'll work with div and classes. So let's go ahead and create an HTML page first, and further we will attach a CSS file with this. So this is HTML head title CSS part 2. Close this title, and then here you have to link your CSS style sheet. Real style sheet type equals text slash CSS, and then href. Style is the name of my style sheet, CSS style sheet, and CSS is the extension of this file. And then close this head here, open a body. I will write h3 here for heading, working with div and classes. H3. Okay, now here let's create a div, and let's make a class here with the name container. You can name it anything you want, and then place a paragraph here. Paragraph I am a paragraph 1 in container. Copy this, paste it here. I'm a paragraph 1, and then 2, and then 3. Okay, now close this div tag here. Let's create another div and class with name container 2. Copy this, container 2, and then I'm a paragraph 2 in container 2. I'm a paragraph 3 in container 2. Okay, now close this div tag here, close body, then close HTML here. Okay, save it. Now switch to your CSS style sheet. Give a background color to its body. Let's set it as gray, and font color is as white. Okay, now if you want to represent an ID here, then you have to write hash before the name of your ID. Okay, but here we are working with classes, so you have to write dot, then class name. Okay, so our class name is container. Basically dot represents a class and hash represents an ID. So container, let's give it a width as 25%, then background color is as silver or brown, then color as white, font family as Broadway. Okay, and then okay, now text align is center. Okay, and then let's give it a border with 4 pixels, body of 4 pixels or 5 pixels solid, and color will be white. Okay, so it will be visible that which part of the page is our this div. Sorry. Now let's run it. in a browser. Okay, now you can see it looks pretty much cool now. And the second container is, it looks normal, like we have placed some paragraphs here. Now this div, you can see how beautiful it looks this time. Now let's do the same for this second div 2. All what we have to do is just write the name of class, then copy this. If you want all effects, this same effects for in this class also, for this div also, then you have to do this. But let's give its border here as dotted so that we will know. Okay, now you can see this is our div first and div second with dotted border. Now friends, you can see there is no gap between these two divs. No gap is between them. Let's give them gap in between them. Let's go here and margin top, because this is in bottom. Okay, margin top with 2 pixels, not much. Run it. You can see now there's a little gap. Increase it with 4. Now you can see, or 5. Now you can see there's a gap in between them. Now let's write a code in CSS file and put this second div in the same line after this div 1. So how we can do that? Go here, I'll write here a clear both, then float left. Okay, go here, right, float left. Now you can see they are in the same line, but there is something wrong here. What is that? Basically, you have to remove this margin top here. Now you can see. Now you want to place a gap here in between them. All you have to do is same margin, but this time you have to write left, margin left 5 pixels. That's it. You see the gap in between them. Now let's make it same here, solid. Now you can see. So so friends, you can play with the codes. Just try it yourself, with different styles and borders, colors, and many things you can do. So okay, now okay, now thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe, friends. Thank you.